Hi, I'm Christina Pirello from Christina Cooks on PBS. Each week on my TV show, we take fresh, seasonal ingredients and turn them into the most amazingly delicious dishes. Everything I cook on the show and at home is plant-based. For decades, I've been passionate about showing people how our food choices impact both our personal wellness and the health of our planet. That's why I'm so excited to share something that's become absolutely essential in my kitchen, my FinaMill. As a chef, I can tell you that flavor is everything. When a meal is both delicious and easy to make, you're so much more likely to eat healthy every single day. And here's what I've discovered. When it's this easy to use a wide range of spices and herbs to make your meals flavorful and healthy, eating becomes effortless and sustainable. So what's the secret to unlocking that bold flavor? Freshly ground spices. They deliver exponentially better taste than anything that's been sitting in a jar for months or even years. And with that burst of fresh flavor, you can use less oil in your cooking. You can skip the bottled dressings and sauces that you're using with labels that read like epic novels. And it's important to remember that spices and herbs are more than the pretty girls at the party. They're the stars of our health, with their origins of use in ancient medicine. From anti-inflammatory properties to digestive aids, from blood sugar balance to antibiotic properties, spices and herbs support our wellness in significant ways. From salt and pepper and every spice and herb in between, FinaMill has changed my cooking, and I thought I had a pretty good handle on that. Let's just say I love my FinaMill so much that it even gets packed when I travel. I know I'll be cooking, so why not have my favorite tools right where they should be, in my kitchen, wherever that kitchen might be. But freshly ground spices aren't just about flavor. They create less waste, too. With FinaMill, I buy whole spices in smaller amounts and grind only what I need. Fresh potency every time, less waste in my pantry. Healthy cooking has never been easier or more delicious with FinaMill as my flavor companion. And did I mention that these fantastic mills come in so many cool colors? You, my friends, are going to fall in love with the perfume of fresh spices, the ease of use, and oh, baby, the flavor.